this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. Resident property indication. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So, you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID and check-in the property, except major credit cards, and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is good. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of rooms is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Rules and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check description. If you want to visit any kind of property, this property that is written and is by Kalogria, we have already visited this property. Please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.